Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So it is Friday, April the 24th. I hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Just a couple deals, if you're driving by a Walgreens, a Family Dollar, or a Meijer, and you want to get in on some weekend, like little quick deals, these are all really fantastic if you can line them up. The first store that we're at is Walgreens, and on IBOTTA, the app I'm always talking about, where you can save so much money, there is a free bag. It's an ounce and a half of the Siesta chips. This is the 1.5 ounce bag, so it's the smaller one. It's probably going to be found near the cash registers, or that aisle that they have with all of the candy and various little chips. You might find it there, but you're going to pay $1.77 and then get that back with Ibotta. It's a limit of one per card. Now, this is valid at Walgreens, Meijer, Walmart, Target, CVS. If you're closer to one of those stores, or even if you're at an Aldi, you can check for this. And you hear me talk about this specific app all the time. You just collect the money and then you can either get a PayPal drop or you can get a gift card with Ibotta. It's that easy, and they have the most amount of rebates for couponers out there, and when they give us these little freebies, it's really, really fantastic. Again, because of this is a smaller bag, it's not the large ones. Make sure that you open up the app and scan the barcode to ensure you're getting the right one. But who doesn't like a little free bag of chips right before the weekend? If you're new to couponing and you're like, I don't want something else on my phone, this is one app you're going to want to sign up for. Check out my referral code. When you submit your first qualifying receipt, it could be this bag of chips. You're given a $5 bonus. Check out the link in the notes. Also at Walgreens, we have this box of microfiber lens wipes. These are those little disposable ones that they give you sometimes at the optometry office. So there's 40 per box, and this is on a promotion of buy one, get one 50% off. And when you buy two, you get back a $5 register reward. So two of these wipes is $5.98. Get back that $5 register reward. It makes it 98 cents for two, or 49 cents per box, 49 cents for 40 of them. That's a really good deal. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. That register reward that prints is very specific that it has to be used on medical stuff. I'm not even sure if this thing rolls. So just be careful with that. If you have a very strict cashier, they might just say, hey, sorry, you got to use it only on medical stuff, so just be wary of that. We're going to go over to the Family Dollar, and not a store that I frequent a lot, but there's these two types of dryer sheets that are on this really weird clearance. The Arm & Hammer Odor Blasters 80 count and Fresh Bursts are 60 cents, which is an unheard of price. And the Homeline Serene, it's a vanilla lavender one for 55 cents. That's like a dupe of the Downy one that they have, the Downy Calm. It smells identical to that. And the easiest way to find this stuff is to look in the app. What is your store priced at? Every Family Dollar, it's a little bit different, but here are two of the different UPCs. Another item to be on the lookout for is this Low Splash Bleach, also by Homeline, and this is concentrate. So a little bit goes a long way. And this is a pretty sizable jug of bleach, and I do use this because I have white towels at my house. So I was delighted to find two of them, and they were $1.85 each. Yes, I did pay a little bit out of pocket, but bleach is so expensive right now. So for this one, I have no problem paying out. And again, this is one item I didn't really have a ton of in my stockpile. So here's the UPC. Fortunately, I could not track this down. It is the 24 ouncer of the Arm & Hammer. It's the scent boosters for 90 cents. Original price $6. So I would scan a whole bunch of stuff, look in the app, and look especially under the home line or the Arm & Hammer line. So much stuff at the Family Dollar on clearance. Okay, guys, now we're going to be going to Meijer, grocery store in the Midwest only. There is a digital coupon that you're going to load. Look for it in the coupons folder. Type in free. It should appear. It's valid right till next Tuesday, the 28th. And you will find these bags at checkout. It's a whole bunch of them. There's one with asparagus, this one, another one with like some pomegranates on it. It's the dollar bags. They're free. I think it's with celebration of Earth Day. They just wanted to offer a free bag. And I haven't seen Meijer offer a complete free item in a really long time. It used to be a ton and then now not so much. And again, you will find these at self checkout. They have one with the Michigan logo as well. But you seems like you could put quite a bit in these bags. So I was very happy to get one on Wednesday. So I would definitely pick that up if you're near Meijer. And that's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.